In today's episode, we're going to learn about variable. What is variable? Think of variable like a box where you can store a lot of values, a lot of items inside. You can store any kind of item you like. You can choose, you can take your candy and put it inside the box. You can take your cloth and put it inside the box. So that box is called variable in programming. So in programming, variable is the same thing. We store a value inside it, and later on in our program we can access that value. Take an example. You're going to create a game. So without a variable, you cannot be able to store the score of that game. So why do we need variable? Variable, it makes us easy to store a data and then retrieve the data. Without a variable in our program, we cannot be able to store a data and later on retrieve it. And also it's going to make us easy repetition. If I have a lot of values, it's going to make me easy to change the value instead of me to go each one by one and change it. I can just change it from one point and all of them will be changed. We have so many different types of variable. We have number variable, we have boolean variable, and we have text variable. And those type of variable, we call them data types. We have number data type, which is divided into two. We have integer, and also we have another type of variable, which is text. In programming, we call it string. Then we have another type of variable, is called boolean. It's only used to store value, whether true or false. Rules of creating variable. When you come to creating a variable, you have to name your variable. So in naming your variable, make sure you consider those rules. Don't start with number. Don't say one name, two name, three name. This is wrong. Instead, you will say name 1, name 2, name 3. And then don't put space in your variable. If your name of your variable is too long, don't put space. Don't put name of person or name of this, name of that. Don't put space. If you put space, it's going to give you an error. So let's see an example how to create a variable. In this example, we're going to use a Python programming language. So first of all, we're going to write the name of our variable. Then we're going to put an equality sign, and then we're going to put what are we going to store. After we do that, so let's see, we're going to create a variable called name, and then we're going to store the name of a person, John. Then in our program later on, if I like, I can call John many times I want. So this is how variable works. If you enjoy it, subscribe, and let's meet in our next video.